this is Aizzah and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to talk about the new collection from Colourpop Cosmetics. It is the Wild Child collection and I'm very excited to share it with you because these are the kinds of makeup products that I love to have in my collection because it is more of like a dark chocolatey brown shades, which I really like, and I feel like this makeup collection is made for me. So without further ado, let's get on the video. Alright, so these are the things that you get inside the box. First, we have the receipt, and then next is we have the pamphlet, I think. And then it says here, "You light up my life." And then next we have the eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging. And then what's inside is this one. And when we open it, this is how it looks like. And then the next thing that we have inside this box is this one. This is the Super Shop Shadow. And then let's open it. This is in the shade Run Wild. This one is in the shade Basic Instinct. And this one is in the shade Free Reign. And these are the three shades that we got in the collection. The next thing inside this box is these three lipsticks. They are just the same packaging like the other ones. And these are the lipsticks. They have the same packaging, and the only difference is in the back, which has the name of the shade. This one is in the shade Oh Behave. This one is in the shade Brat Pack. And this one is in the shade Sassy. And now let's do the comparison of the three shades. And the last thing that we have inside this box is this one. These are blushes. Again, they also have the same packaging, and the only difference is the back, which has the name of the shade. Here we have the blush called Jet Jet, and here we have the blush called Trippin'. And let's compare the two blushes. And this comes with a magnetic packaging. So these are the Colourpop Wild Child collection. I actually can't wait to try these products because these are my kind of shades. I love dark shades. They are just my personal preference. Before I forget to tell you, I actually used the shade Ground Crew and Hard to Get for my brows. And this is how it looks like. And now let's do my makeup. I like that this palette has a mirror. I just really like palette that has mirror to it. It's just really convenient to me. And now let's do my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take the Colourpop E22 brush and I'm gonna use the shade Spotted, and I'm gonna put it all over my crease. As what you can see, it has a little bit of fallouts. I already primed my eyes. I'm basically putting this eyeshadow using a circular motion, and then I'm just slowly packing the shade in my crease. Taking the Colourpop brush in E25, I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in the shade Ground Crew. But I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye. And now with my Colourpop E26 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and dip it to the shade Hard to Get. I'm just applying it to the outer corner of my eye. I just want to dip in the color. Back to the shade Ground Crew and blend them. Using the Colourpop E24, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Feisty. And I'm just gonna put it close to my waterline. And now I'm going to blend everything using the Colourpop E27 brush. And now I'm gonna take the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Run Wild. Ooh, it feels so soft. And creamy. With the shade Lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the middle of my eyelid. Ooh, it is really pretty. I really like this. I'm going back to the shade Ground Crew and I'm just gonna blend here. I just wanna slightly blending it. And now going back to the shade Feisty, I'm gonna go ahead and dip in the color. And now I'm going back to the shade Spotted, and I'm just gonna put some shadows here. Make sure that everything is blended. There's a lot of fallouts, but I think it's just really normal if you use this kind of eyeshadow. Go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and now I'm gonna use this blush in the shade Trippin', and I'm going to use it as my bronzer using the brush Colourpop F30. And now using this blush in the shade Jet Jet, I'm gonna go ahead and use it as my blush. It seems like these colors are made for my skin tone. It's just the perfect shade. And now let's move on to my lower lash line. And now let's move on to the lip, and I'm going to use the shade Oh Behave. Ooh, I really like it. I definitely look like a wild child now. Oh, I love this shade so much. This is like my kind of color. It matches perfectly with my outfit. The lipsticks is so creamy that it just glides onto your lip. Okay, let's do a review, and let's start with this palette. So for the colors that they throw in this palette, I can say that I really like it because I personally love this kind of colors, like dark chocolatey brown shades. These are the shades that I would normally reach out to every time I do my makeup. I like that it's very pigmented. It is very blendable, and I like the glitter shades that they throw in this palette as well. As what you can see in my eyelid is like glittery, shimmery, very nice shade. I can say that there's a little bit of fallouts of the eyeshadow, but that doesn't bother me at all. For the packaging, I like that it has mirror. To me, it is very convenient that every palette has a mirror, so I love it for that. For this one, I can say that it's really cute. I find this cute. The gold and the brown combination, I like it, and I actually match my outfit with this one because I really just find it cute. Next is we have these. So both of these are actually blush on, but I use this as my bronzer in the shade Trippin', and for this one in the shade Jet Jet, I use it as my blush on, and I love both of these. I think that these shades are really perfect for my skin tone. I am normally in a medium or light medium shade, and this is really perfect for my skin tone, and it just really blend and apply nicely to my skin, and I really like it for that. I can say that I would use this all the time. So next we have this 3 Super Shock Shadow. I only use the shade Run Wild because we receive an eyeshadow palette in this collection, so most of the shades that I use in my eyelid is from the eyeshadow palette, so I only use this one just to try it, and I actually really find it nice because it is really creamy and glittery, and it's just glides onto my eyelid. I can't wait to use these two, and for the 3 of them, I think that you can make a eye look just using these 3 Super Shock Shadow. And last but not the least are these 3 lipsticks. I personally love it so much because I'm the kind of person who love dark lipsticks, and these 3 are in the dark shades, so I can see myself wearing it all the time. And the lipsticks that I'm wearing right now is in the shade Oh Behave. I really like it because it just glides onto my lip, and the payoff is really nice. So yes. For this Wild Child collection, I will definitely give it a 5-star review because I really love everything that they throw in this collection. I find it really affordable for the price that you paid for this one, and you get to have blush on, Super Shock Shadow, eyeshadow palette, and lipsticks. It is like a very money well spent. Not to mention they are like the perfect color for my skin tone, so that's really a plus. I actually feel like this collection is made for me because it is really perfect for me. So if you are someone who are having a second thought of buying this collection, don't. I guarantee you, you will not regret buying this collection because it is very worth it. Alright, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet, and please don't forget to comment down below. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? I want to know your thoughts. Alright, see ya!